The sights of all the cool gadgets, the sounds of sizzling ingredients, the scents of all the spices, and the taste of happiness. All of these senses are important to use when creating a meal in the kitchen. Sounds delicious, right? If so, then you could be a chef. A chef is a skilled and trained cook who works in the kitchen. Most chefs start their careers by completing small tasks in the kitchen, such as cleaning, but this leads to learning from the most creative minds in the business. After that, chefs earn their high school diploma or GED and continue on to study culinary arts. Culinary arts is the art of food preparation, cooking, and presentation of food, usually in the form of meals. Chefs are always perfecting their craft and becoming experts using vegetables, meats, fruits, spices, and everything in between. But wait, you don't have to be a grown-up to be a chef. Do you have any ideas how you can use your love of food to make money? You can start with creating delicious snacks for family members and friends. But be sure to ask your parents or guardians for permission before getting started. Until then, have fun using your senses.